Nice Porsche. Green arrow. The person's looking at their phone.
Jennifer.
Okay, yeah. Have a good day. Thank you. All right, thanks. All right. Okay. There you go. Oh, no problem. Oh, thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, thank you. I will. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Have a good one. Oh, this is going to be fun.
That's a nice move. I was trying to get us in park. Just bully him. Nah, I'm good, bro.
She just literally she's too lazy and too stupid, obviously, to park her car the right way. And the stupid parade never stops. Thank you. Yep, there's a wise financial decision.
Thank you very much.
Have a good night.
You too. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good night.
Good day.
Thank you. Why do I keep saying night when it's day? I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired. Oh, this is a great place to park. This?
Hi.
That's not it.
Okay, here's the packet. Give me a second.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. How's it going? Thank you. Take care. Big, giant, oversized, overpriced SUVs. Can't use that backup camera. Don't even look behind you. If you cross traffic, it's like that. Yep, runs the red light. Busy with his coffee. Chemo. I'll just block the. Oh, he's back up now. Go ahead. Yeah. Good. Come on, go on. Yeah, good. Everyone's going by the guy next to him. The guy needs to get across the street, you know? Wait. Yeah.